backyard birdery. Here, a blue jay right over here. I was trying to get it yesterday. I did get a few shots of him. Anyway, a little backyard birdery with the Canon 90D. Still learning it. It's got the Sigma 1:400 contemporary lens on it. Just out here in the backyard having a good time, enjoying God's creation. It's kind of nice just to be able to step out on the back porch and kind of have an adventure versus, you know, packing up a bunch of gear and driving 40 or 50 miles. And I'm sure I will, but to give this a test, but I'm really just enjoying getting out in the backyard, watching these birds. I always thought there's the doves. I always thought that there's a little it happens that quick. I was taking photos of that bird yesterday. I can't remember exactly what it's called. It's some sort of sparrow, but it's got that yellow strip on it. I've only seen that yellow one a few times. I've gotten a lot of photos of the house sparrows, the bush in the front yard. Anyway, we're coming at you here again, having a good time. Hopefully I can get a few good enough photos I can incorporate it into this video. Probably gonna move over just a little bit. This tree is kind of overhanging, so I may have to move around just a hair. Remember, folks, it's all fun and games. I'm just your average Joe. Out here having a good time. It's Sunday. It's before church. Got up a little bit early to have some coffee, take some Fojos. Just landed right there. Man, blue jays don't mess around. They really don't. This cardinal, my female cardinals are over here. I was about to take a shot of her in the blue jay. There she is right there. Kind of hidden. I got some really good photos I'll throw in from yesterday. I got some pictures of the male and female cardinal right on this fence line, pretty close up. There's two sets. Anyway, at some point I think I'm going to do some, take the camera to the lake and see if I can get some like bald eagles and stuff. Obviously, be a lot more exciting. I'd like to get some owls. So there's that cardinal. It's on the wire though. Facing the wrong direction. I've gotten, there he goes. Oh, he flew off. Got some really nice photos of them cardinals here in the backyard. Again, there's two sets. There's a two sets of male, two sets of female. Two males, one's a bit plumper and it's got some gray discoloration on his back. His back feathers are a little gray. And then there's a more slender, bright cardinal. Selma. Anyway, maybe I can throw in some of those photos while I'm waiting on some good shots. I know this video camera's already got me distracted, but I need to get used to it, because if I can't do it here, how am I supposed to do it in the field? So this will just give me an idea of what I need to do as far as recording my adventure. A couple shots at that blue jay finally, but it was from a bit of a distance, and I think that power cord was in my foreground out of focus. We'll see how much my talking interferes with getting some of these close-ups. Anyway, this is the 1:400 contemporary lens from Sigma. It's doing a great job in the backyard for sure. When we get down at the lake and stuff, I'm really going to think I'm going to rather have the Sigma 150 to 600. I'm just going to be quiet for a minute and see if I can get a couple good shots I'll incorporate as we go.